subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand iQoo has launched its new gaming smartphone in China called iQoo Neo5. Talking about the specifications, the iQoo Neo5 features a 6.62-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1000Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10+, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, paired with Adreno 650 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the iQoo Neo5 supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 13MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Origin OS skin on top. The device comes equipped by a large 4400 mAh battery that supports 66 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with advanced heat dissipation system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.34 by 76.37 by 8.43 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The iQoo Neo5 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,499 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,699 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in Night Shadow Black, Cloud Shadow Blue, and Pixel Orange color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from March 22nd. So what do you guys think of this iQoo Neo5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.